The photograph of Eleanor was a ghost on my desk, a faded smile in the amber glow of the desk lamp. I scoffed, the sound swallowed by the quiet hum of the city outside my window. "Easy to replace," I muttered, the words tasting like ash. Another partner, another case, another day in this God-forsaken city. The names change, but the game stays the same. I took a long drag from my cigarette, the smoke curling around the memory of her, and tossed the photo into a drawer. Out of sight, out of mind, or so I thought. A shadow fell across my office door, followed by a knock that was too polite for this part of town. A new client. She was all sharp angles and sharper words, a story of a missing husband and a fortune that had vanished with him. The case smelled of old money and new lies, a combination I could never resist. The retainer she offered was enough to keep the lights on for another 6 months. I took the case, the photo in the drawer, a distant, nagging thought. The rain started to fall as she left, a prelude to the storm that was coming for me. I hit the streets, chasing ghosts through the neon-drenched alleyways and smoky jazz bars that pass for the city's underbelly. Each lead was a breadcrumb, each witness a liar with eyes that darted away from mine. The rain-slicked pavement reflected the city's false promises, and I followed them deeper into the labyrinth. The scent of her perfume, the client's, not Eleanor's, a constant cloying presence. I was chasing a man I'd never met, guided by a woman I shouldn't trust, and all of it felt unsettlingly familiar. The trail ended at a waterfront warehouse, the air thick with the smell of salt and decay. The missing husband wasn't there, no one was. Just a single flickering fluorescent light, illuminating a laptop left open on a crate. The screen glowed, displaying a series of emails, a digital confession. It wasn't the husband's story. It was a blueprint, a meticulously planned deception. Every clue I'd followed, every person I'd questioned, every step I'd taken had been orchestrated. The client, the missing man, the whole damned case, it was a fiction. A stage play written for an audience of one. And at the bottom of the final email, a signature that made the blood freeze in my veins. E. The pieces clicked into place with the sickening finality of a coffin lid shutting. This was Eleanor's work. I stumbled back out into the rain, the neon signs blurring into meaningless streaks of color. The case wasn't about a missing husband, it was about me. A message, a lesson. I had been a puppet dancing on her strings, a pawn moved across her board to settle a score I didn't even know existed. I thought I was the one playing the game, the one in control. But she had been the dealer all along, stacking the deck and watching me play the hand she'd dealt. I looked up at the relentless, uncaring sky, the rain washing over my face, and for the first time in a long time, I felt truly defeated. She wasn't easy to replace. She was irreplaceable. And in her absence, she had proven that she was the one who was truly in control.